Okay, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, it's going through the tunnel again. Going through the tunnel. Another tunnel. Oh, there's, okay. There it is. Parts. That's parts of the trail. There you go. There you go. You guys know where you are? Camininto del Rey, part of the trail. Oh, yes, okay. That's excellent. That's well, yes. You're going for the tunnel again, huh? Another set of tunnels. Let's stop it again. Okay, here we go again. Have you walked the trail? Have you been on it? Have you walked it?
No.
Oh, you need to do that.
Oh, yeah?
It's fantastic.
Oh, yeah.
It's like going to Mecca. But more frightening. Just look at it. Wow. Oh, there's through the tunnel again. Oh yes, there we go. There we go again. Camininto del Rey. Fantastic. Let's go through the tunnel again. See the tunnels. There you go. There's a river there. There's a river. The gorge. Going through these mountain tunnels. Absolutely incredible. Right on the mountains here, huh? Let's see. Okay, something else is coming up again. Let's see. Oh yes, I recognize that thing, that chimney up there. There's a power station down the bottom there. Electric station. Right, let's see if there's anything else. Will come up. That's kind of about it. Okay, I think that's about it really. Getting to El Toro so shortly, huh?